message sent timeout. It seemed like Coach Bench took that timeout to send a message to his crew. Julius Randle getting 2 points.
Well, I also think, and I know fans don't understand it a lot of times, but, you know, they ran a play there to get a 3. You're going to try to get as many of those reps as you can in a game, because when you're going to need them as the year goes on, you want to have had to execute in those situations.
110 to 103. Lakers turned it over. Rejected by LeBron James. Ahead for Davis. And he'll back it out. The game is in the refrigerator. The jello is jiggling. To quote the great Chick Hearn. It's over. The Lakers win on opening night. 110 to 103. J.J. Redick, his head coaching debut, a success. Bronny James making his NBA debut, making history, playing alongside his father, LeBron James. And the night belongs to the Lakers. 110 to 103. They defeat the Minnesota.
Porta.